By indigenizing our practices and reclaiming our agency, we can challenge power structures and create resilient, culturally empowered practices. And in doing so, we can help build a more equitable and harmonious world. What are some ways we can challenge harmful stereotypes and promote understanding and inclusion in our communities? This brings us to the heart of community-centered practices and collaboration. Let's begin with the concept of community-owned land. By returning ownership of the land to the community, we can reinstate a sense of belonging and stewardship. The lands, thus, are not just resources to be exploited, but are part of a living, breathing ecosystem that we are all responsible for nurturing and protecting. Now, let's talk about shared resources. This is not a new concept. In fact, it's one that many indigenous communities have been practicing for centuries. From shared water wells to communal granaries. The concept of sharing resources fosters a sense of community and encourages regenerative practices. It's about looking after each other and ensuring that no one goes without. Collaborative decision-making is another pillar of community-centered practices. It's about giving a voice to everyone in the community, not just those in positions of power. It's about acknowledging that everyone's perspective is valuable and that collective decisions are more likely to benefit the community as a whole. Moving on to the importance of seed sharing. This is a practice that not only promotes biodiversity, but also enables the survival of indigenous plant species. Seed sharing encourages intergenerational knowledge transfer and the preservation of traditional farming methods, both of which are key to regenerative agriculture. Biodiversity preservation is more than just about maintaining a variety of plant and animal species. It's about understanding that every organism plays a unique role in the ecosystem, and that the loss of one can have far-reaching impacts on the whole. Through intergenerational knowledge transfer, we can ensure that the wisdom of older generations is passed down to the next. This is a crucial aspect of preserving cultural identities and sustaining community practices. Through community-centered practices and collaboration, we can promote understanding, inclusion, and regeneration. Together, we have the power to challenge harmful stereotypes and build a society that truly celebrates diversity and fosters mutual respect.